Hi guys, Greg here. Well, today on Fast Food Friday Food Reviews, I thought I'd do a bit of a pizza challenge. I've come to Domino's to try one of their $5 lunchtime pizzas, and I've also come to Pizza Capers to try one of their $8.95 lunchtime pizza specials. So I'm going to try both of them out, see which one tastes the best, and give them a score out of 10 and let you know which one wins this versus challenge. Anyway, I've ordered pretty much the exact same pizza, well, as close as I could get, so I can give it a pretty fair evaluation as well. Anyway, let's get these pizzas, because I am starving. Alrighty folks, well here I have both the pizzas, the Pizza Capers and the Domino's. Now, we all know Domino's, don't we? But if you don't know Pizza Capers is an original Australian pizza brand. They started off up in Brisbane and now they have stores right around Australia. They're known for their gourmet style pizzas, and generally their pizzas are around the $20 mark for a decent sized one. But this is the lunchtime special one, $8.95 this cost, compared to the Domino's pizza, which costs $5. Well, I've brought the scales. Let's do a comparison and see how much they weigh. Alrighty, let's start with the Pizza Capers. 441 grams. And the Domino's? 520 something grams. So the Domino's pizza turns out to be about 25% heavier. Interesting. Anyway, let's take a look at both these pizzas. So let's start off with the Domino's. This is the $5 lunchtime pepperoni pizza. Whoa, well, haven't they shrunk down? These pizzas used to be much bigger than that. They used to fill the whole box. It looks like they've shrunk by a couple of inches. That's what she said. Anyway, it does look like a pretty good pizza. The crust looks nicely cooked. There's plenty of coverings on there, heaps of pepperoni, and it looks nice and cheesy as well. Oh boy, that looks tasty. I can't wait to tuck on into that one. All right, well, let's check out the Pizza Capers pizza. Whoa, wow, doesn't that look interesting? Well, the first thing I think you notice is that the pizza is smaller than the Domino's one. I guess that's the 25% smaller in weight. But it is a delicious looking pizza, isn't it? Oh, wow. Now, this one is the barbecue Bonanza. It's got pepperoni, premium beef leg ham, rasher bacon, mozzarella, and smoky barbecue sauce, garnished with fresh herbs. That looks tasty, and look at the coverage on there. Wow, that looks good. Alright, well, here's those pizzas. How about I start off with a piece of the Domino's pizza? See what that's like. Oh, baby. Yumma. Get in my mouth. Not bad. It's only got 2 toppings on it. What do you expect? The crust has got that really nice greasiness about it, which I really like. There's not a lot of flavour though on this pizza. I can hardly even taste the pepperoni, even though it's right here. A little bit bland tasting. The cheese, a little bit bland. Overall, the pizza's a little bit bland, I'd say, but it still tastes all right. So here's the Pizza Capers pizza. Now, I've never had one of these, not this type. I've had them before, many years ago. I haven't had one for, a good 7-8 years. So this is my first one I've had in that time. This pizza is absolutely packed to the brim with ingredients, 5 in all compared to Domino's 2 ingredients. So how about, let's get a nice big piece here. That's got all the toppings on it. And underneath it. I don't know how that piece is hanging on, but it's doing all right. But that's a pizza. It looks really good. I might take that off And let's dive on in and see what this is like. Wow. Straight away, you can really tell the difference between premium ingredients and sort of a generic ingredient. I mean, the beef on this is actually pieces of beef, like real ones that are sliced up. Wow. And the pizza is so juicy. It's got so much flavor on it. The crust, oh, can you hear that crunch? Wow. Wow. That's good. Really nice. And take a look at the bacon on it. It's actual rasher bacon. It's like huge bits of bacon on this. Wow. Oh, that's good. So here's a Pizza Capers pepperoni versus a Domino's pepperoni. Let's try this pepperoni again. I do love those crispy bits. Not bad. Not bad. Right, Pizza Capers, you're on. Just a better quality piece of meat, that one. So $8.95 for a pizza that's smaller than the $5 Domino's pizza. This has got so much more coverings on it, and which adds up to more flavour. And I tell you what, the flavour on this is really fantastic compared to the $5 pizza, which after tasting this still tastes pretty good, but in comparison, that tastes much better. I'm sort of not even interested in finishing this Domino's pizza off now. I just want to tuck on into this Pizza Capers one. Oh, yeah. Now we're talking. That's how real pizza should be. Well, I've tried both these pizzas now. Let's see who wins this lunchtime pizza versus challenge. Well, this Domino's lunchtime pizza, well, it's bigger, it's cheaper, and the flavour in it's pretty good. Well, I thought it was pretty good until I tried this Pizza Capers one. I know it's not comparable in like toppings and everything, but it's the lunchtime pizzas that they have and their servings. So I can only compare lunchtime pizza to lunchtime pizza, can't I? But in comparison to the Domino's, it's hardly comparable. This Pizza Capers pizza really kicks the goal over this Domino's pizza, that's for sure. It tastes so much better, it's got so much more flavour. The quality of the toppings is just so much better as well. It's a no-brainer who wins this competition. And the winner of this one is Pizza Capers. Yes, your pizza might cost more. Yes, your pizza might be smaller. But yes, your pizza tastes a whole lot better. And I know which one I really want to finish off first and then stick in the fridge for later. So there you go, Domino's versus Pizza Capers. Pizza Capers comes out on top. So what's my recommendation? Well, I mean, if you got a Pizza Capers near your house and it's lunchtime, whip on in for a $8.95 Pizza Capers pizza. There's a whole different variety of different pizzas you can choose from. Well, about 4 or 5. But still, there'll be one to your liking that you'll like. And the flavour in these is top shelf, mate. You'll really enjoy it. So what's your favourite pizza? Pizza Capers lunchtime pizza? Or the Domino's? Well, I found my favourite one from now on. The Pizza Capers. Anyway, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to show it some thumb and love. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you next time for my next review right here on Greg's Kitchen. Catch you then. Goodbye, Domino's. Pizza Capers has won my heart today. Ooh yeah.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the review